welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you this easy crochet boohoo box braids. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Shine and Jam and my rat tail comb. You already know what it is by now. I'll start by sectioning my hair from ear to ear, just a straight line. Just exactly the way I'm doing, because I want to have the individual illusion in the front, and then I'm just going to cornrow my hair in the back. Once I'm done, I'm just going to take my scrunchie and secure the hair in the back, and then I'm going to start working with the front. I'm going to section my hair on the side just exactly the way I'm doing, and then I'm going to start sectioning the hair into little sections, taking my Shine and Jam, applying to the hair, making sure the line is really nice and clean or whatever. Okay, I'm going to section the hair, and then I'll take a little bit more Shine and Jam, apply it to the scalp. That way it looks really nice and clean. And then I'm just going to separate it into two and twist it all the way down. And then I'll get to the second section, okay? Just going to apply my Shine and Jam as well. And then I'll section the hair into two. Take the hair from the first section to the second section, and then I'll twist them together just exactly the way I'm doing, guys. I usually like doing this, the twist method, because it's easier to do, it's faster, but it's also very easy to take them down. So I'm gonna do that with the rest of the hair, and then I'm going to show you guys how I combine the hair from the individual illusion to the cornrow. So what I do is I'm just gonna take the hair that I have from the individual illusion, and then I'm just gonna start braiding it down together with the hair in the back. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do, and it's very, very easy. Just doing some basic cornrows in the back. I actually do them a little looser because I want my crochet needle to be able to go through. That's exactly what I'm doing. Very easy, guys. Oh my gosh, like this is exactly what I like to do when I want to do like some quick braids. You know what I'm saying? You just want to do an hour kind of braids and you are out the door, sis. Okay. I have about 12 sections in the front right there, and then like about 10 braids in the back or whatever. And I'm just gonna moisturize my scalp using my coconut oil and my Jamaican black castor oil. You already know the drill right about now, sis. I'm going to be using this hair that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now. And these are the boohoo braids, already come with the curls on it. And oh girl, these are cute. There's about 15 in one pack. And the loop is not as big, but you don't have to stretch it. I'm going to show you a trick that you can use without stretching the hair out too much. So what you're going to do is you're just going to put the needle in, okay? You're going to place the needle in your hair, right? Open the latch, take your crochet hair, and just place it on the needle right there. Close the latch. Pull it out. Don't pull it all the way out, sis. So you want to pull it out enough for your needle to go through again, okay? So your needle is going to go through again, and then you're going to hold the end of the hair, making sure you're holding the curl part as well, okay? And then you're just going to place it on the latch, close it, and pull it out, sis. I'm going to show you guys again, all right? So what I'm doing is I'm just going to place the needle in exactly the way I'm doing, okay? Place the crochet on the needle, close the latch, pull it out. Don't pull it all the way out. Go all the way to the corner of the crochet braid, making sure you're holding the curl part as well. That way it doesn't get tangled up. While we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what's juicy. Yes, sis. Today's shout out goes to Coco Daze. Thank you so much, sis, for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for rocking with me. You are a real one today, sis. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate the love and the support, sis. Okay. I am loving this boohoo braid situation going on, and I was like, I'm about to jump on this bandwagon, sis. Okay. And these are cute. Oh my gosh, I love them. If you don't know how to braid yourself, your braids don't come out as clean, you can just do this easy, crochet method, sis, and you are done, and you're still looking cute or whatever. Gonna start, placing the crochet in the front. Just gonna place the needle in exactly the way I'm doing, okay? Place the crochet on the needle, close it, and then pull it out. As you guys can see, the hair is not as thick, so this is why I was able to use all the 8-pack, sis, okay? So otherwise, if your hair is like really thick, you might as well, you know, just like jump lines or, you know, something like that if you think it's gonna be too much. And somebody was asking me if there's a difference which way you place the crochet needle. So you can place it anyway, it's still gonna come all the way through, sis. I mean, I don't have like a specific way, you know, which way, whatever I'm feeling like doing that day, it is what it is. I'm just gonna be placing them whatever direction I want them to go, okay? And I'm gonna put the link in the description below for y'all to check it out, because this hair is really nice, guys. And this video is not sponsored, guys. I'm giving you all the real tea. You can do this and you can save time, money. There's nothing like getting your hair down by yourself and looking at yourself in the mirror and be like, sis, you did the damn thing. Okay. I love how they look like individual braids. You know, if they're already coming through even before we are done. And I am loving this hair because it's very, very soft. Anyway, so once I'm done doing the crochet whatever, I'm just gonna lay my baby hairs, and I'm using this Kiss Edge Fixer, and this right here has become my favorite edge control system. And baby, when I tell you, this style came all the way through. Yes, sis. And you know your girl gotta throw in some styles here and there, and baby, they're coming all the way through. I am feeling this hair right here, and this is super, super cute. Very easy to achieve. 1 hour and you are done. I'm telling you, we are saving time, money, and everything in 2021. Let me know if you guys are feeling this look. Let me know if you guys are loving it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this look, because this is a hot girl all year round hairstyle. Okay, sis. The love and the support that you guys are showing on my channel, oh my gosh, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys know how I feel about you. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Let's get to 300K, honey. And you guys already know we're about to get a giveaway at 300K. Woo! Make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.